Home design plans for a small home. If you want to build your own house, the first thing that you should come up with is the design plans. These plans will help you visualize what your house is going to look like when it is completed. Home design plans will determine whether your house will turn out just the way you want it to or, on the contrary, a disastrous mess. Therefore, you will need to familiarize yourself with the design plans and pay close attention to even the smallest details. The question is how to create a design plan for a small house? Most people are often frustrated when it comes to designing a house in a limited space. But coming up with a design plan for a limited space house is not a very difficult task to do. There are several things that you should keep in mind. First and foremost, you have to choose the appropriate colors to paint your house with. For a small house, it is recommended that you choose lighter tones with relatively minimal patterns. These will help create the illusion that your house is bigger than it actually is.